We'll guide you through how to create a Java project in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First, we will install Java. Just open any browser to your liking and search for Java and hit enter. And just go to the Java official, which is by Oracle, and just go to the official website and click on download Java. And you will see the latest version, and once the latest version is selected, just choose your operating system and download the exe file from there. And as you can see, our setup exe file has started to download. Just wait for it to finish. And once the download is complete, just run the exe file by just clicking on it and wait for it to load. And as you can see, the software has been already installed on my computer, but if it is not installed, just follow the setup prompt and install the Java in your computer. And after the download has been completed, just open your file explorer and go to your local disk C and open your program files, go to Java and open the folder that starts with JDK. And from here, just go inside the bin folder and right click on the address bar and make sure to copy the address. Now we need to set environment variable. Just search for environment variable or environment path and open it from the recommendation. And from here, just click on environment variable, and under system variable, just double click on path and just click on new and paste your path here and click on OK. Click on OK and click on OK. And now let's verify that Java is installed. Just open command prompt by typing cmd on your computer and hit enter. And in command prompt, we will just type the following command. Just type Java space double hyphen and just type version and hit enter. And if you see a Java version, that means Java has been successfully installed in our computer. Next, we will install Visual Studio Code. Now go back to your browser and in the new browser, just type VS Code and hit enter. And from here, just go to the official website and click on download for Windows and follow the setup prompts and download Visual Studio Code. And as for me, for the sake of tutorial, I have already installed Visual Studio Code. Just follow the setup steps and you will be good to go. After that, we will need to connect Java with VS Code. Go to your browser once again and just type Java on VS Code and hit enter. Now scroll down and just go to code.visualstudio.com. And from here, scroll down and you will see install the coding pack. And just choose your operating system. In my case, it's going to be Windows. So I'll just click on it and our download will be started. Just wait for the download to finish and run the installer. And as you can see, our installation wizard have appeared. Just click on I agree the terms and agreement, click on next and click on next. Now just wait for it to finish. And as you can see, it has been successfully completed. And you can also toggle on launch Visual Studio Code and just click on finish and your VS Code will open automatically. Now that everything is set up, we can create our Java project. And just click on the file and click on open folder. And we will just create a new folder. Let's say I want to create a new folder and I'll just click on the new folder icon and name it like GuideRealm. And just hit enter to save it and just double click on it to open the folder and click on select folder. Now you will see that our folder has been successfully created here. Just click on yes, I trust the authors and you can close the window tab. And inside GuideRealm, we will create a new file. Just click on the file icon and name the file like demo. And make sure to add .java as an extension and hit enter. And our file has been successfully created. And type a simple program like so. And now you must save your file. To save a file, just go to File and click on Save or Save All, or alternatively, you can just use the shortcut keyboard, which is Ctrl S. So I'll just press Ctrl S on my keyboard. To run the program, go to the top menu and click on Terminal. Just click on New Terminal and you will see the terminal appear. Now in the terminal, just type JAVAC and type the exact name, which is demo.java, and make sure you type it correctly as this is case sensitive, and hit enter. This will compile your program and you will see a demo.class has been generated. Now to run this command, we have to type Java once again, and now we have to give the exact name, which was demo, and hit enter. And you will see our message, hello for GuideRealm has been successfully printed. This means your Java setup is working correctly and your first Java program has run successfully.